Yeah, I take a trying to load the file, and I can load the file with no problem. And I connect and monitor printer. Thing's already at home. But when I set the temperature, it kicks on like that. But I don't get nothing here. It not even heating the tip up. Now I had to pull the tip. See, this is not changing. The blue part is not changing. The red part's not changing. I had to pull this apart whenever I tried to change the spool. When I was at your house, I had just a little bit in the spool, and I ran out of that. I don't know if I had to pull all these wires apart in order to turn this thing. I took the screws off here and there and pulled this thing out and get where I could unscrew this thing out of the bottom of this. And I was very careful try not to do anything weird, but it was just a kind of a bitch trying to get that tip out and then the stem out of there. But I can't get nothing to heat up. I got it to heat up the other night, but trying to change this tip, I can't get nothing to heat up at all. Now, one of the times I did get this to come up just a little bit, so I don't know if something's happened with the little heater, if a little wire has come loose or something. See, like there's a little bitty jump right there now. So I don't know what the problem is. It's probably just something that I'm doing or not doing. But I want you to look at this and let me know.